Hello, good morning everybody, and welcome to MTV Cribs Van Life Edition. My name is Bo Green, I'll be your host today, and we're going to show you around the 2012 Cadillac SRX, also known as the White Pearl. She is gleaming, she is beautiful, and she has gone over 1,000 miles on this trip. And she's looking a little dirty, but we're going to go ahead and show you the interior. So, in a van lifer's dream over here, we got my cup, my bowl, and also my plate. Everything goes in this lifting dreams thing. We also have my very own personal stereo system. Oh, awesome. We got the first aid kit right here, just in case something goes down. So this is my pantry up here. Toiletry items are right here, very easily accessible. Here we have a personalized water fountain. And here we have my vacuum cleaner, which I haven't used in a while. This ride, the White Pearl, comes equipped with hand warmers. Let's move on to the back seat. Don't worry guys, we haven't even got to the good part yet. In the back, we have the inflatable pillow, just in case I need a little more comfort. And then we also have the personalized security system, which is the bear spray. You don't want to mess with me because I got the bear spray. The trunk, the caboose, and the promotional board. Love nature and YouTube. Check out my channel, Bo Green. You never know when you could use that. So this thing is clutch when I'm going to the beach. Take this thing with me. Also, I could put that on my inflatable paddleboard. Now, this was probably the best buy I've ever bought in my whole entire trip. It was like 300 bucks on Amazon. Totally worth it. I use it all the time. Over here, we have 6-foot table. If I want to, sit down and do some work, I have an office wherever I want to go. We got workout bands, we've got bags, we've got a nice, beautiful setup that Matt Woodbury hooked me up with. Well, right in the corner, collapsible bucket for when I'm fishing. This little shade mat, which I use for the beach. This little converter box. Oh, this thing is cool. So what this does is an aerator. It's a light. Boop, boop, and it charges my stuff. Okay, and we also have a personalized grill back here. A little bit of damage over here, but you know what? Just gives her character. Little scars give her character. Howdy, neighbors.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well, living the dream. This is my laundry bag right here. This is all my camera stuff, tripods, and also the back storage of the water fountain. I have my gimbal, all sorts of stuff, tent, fishing rod, NyQuil just in case, chalk markers, hammock, the works. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these different items in my description. The best part of my cribs is the top balcony. Ah, look at that beautiful perch where I sleep, and we're gonna go ahead and go up there right now. All right, here we go. Air mattress that's rubber that I use just in case it gets a little chilly for my feetsies, because my feet get cold every once in a while. Note pads, the car keys, I don't know why they're up here, and skylight lighting, look at that. Beautiful lighting. A beanie for when it gets chilly. Just nice to keep my hair in order and out of my face. Everything gets done right here. Of course, comes equipped with the Holy Bible, because you always need to keep God's word with you, especially in these tough times. Sometimes it gets a little scary. Ooh, okay, over here we have the front porch and the back porch. This morning I was woken up with turkeys. Gobble, 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 gobble. And last night I heard coyotes. So I think this ends my whole tour of the White Pearl. So if you have questions about what I'm doing, where I'm going, and how I live in a tent on top of my car for 3 months, put them in the comments below. I'd love to make a new video for you. and whatever you want, just put in the comments below and I'll make a video just for you. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you like my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, positive day. Thank you guys for listening.